In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Lyft account 2026. If you want to permanently remove your Lyft account, this process is fairly simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Before you begin, make sure you can sign into the Lyft account you want to delete, since you may need to verify your identity before the request can be completed. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Lyft website. Once you're there, sign into your account using your usual login details. If you're already signed in, that makes things even easier. The key here is to access the correct account before moving forward, especially if you have more than one device or account history saved in your browser. After signing in, look for your account settings or the privacy section. This is usually where Lyft keeps account management options, including anything related to personal data and account control. Take your time here and scan the page carefully, because the exact placement of settings can change slightly over time as websites get updated. Once you've found the right section, look for the option that says Delete Account or Request Account Deletion. Click that option to begin the deletion process. In some cases, platforms use the phrase request deletion because the account removal may not happen instantly. Instead, your request is submitted and then processed after confirmation. Next, complete the verification step if Lyft asks for it. This is a normal security measure designed to make sure that the actual account owner is making the request. Depending on the prompt, you may need to confirm through a code, a login check, or another identity verification method. Follow the instructions shown on your screen carefully. After verification, confirm your request to delete the account. Make sure you read any on-screen messages before submitting, since they may explain what happens to your ride history, saved information, or access to the account after deletion. Once you confirm, your deletion request should be submitted successfully. And that's it. That's how to delete your Lyft account in 2026. If the option doesn't appear right away, try checking both the account settings and privacy sections again, since some menu layouts can vary. It's also a good idea to make sure you've finished anything important in the account before deleting it.